Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Surfshark VPN full review. But first, check a special offer in the description, so let's get started. Now, if you're looking for a VPN and feel completely overwhelmed by all the tech jargon here, well, Surfshark is honestly the best place to start. Now, it is widely considered the ultimate value pick because it beautifully balances premium security with total user-friendly simplicity. Now, the biggest reason it is perfect for beginners is the dead simple interface. Now, when you open the app here, you aren't greeted by a confusing wall of settings. Now, it is just a clean dashboard with a massive quick connect button that protects your internet traffic in a single click. Plus, the app looks and feel identical whether you are using it on a laptop, a phone, or a smart TV. So, meaning there is no zero learning curve here. Now, Surfshark's absolute superpower is the unlimited simultaneous connection policy. Now, while most competitors cap it at, let's just say, 10 or fewer devices, Surfshark here lets you connect every single gadget in your household under one single subscription. Now, it runs a massive global network of over like 100 servers across hundreds of countries here. And because they have upgraded their hardware to blazing fast 10 gigabit lines, it effortlessly handles heavy 4K streaming and gaming without lagging your connection. Now, they also bake in some awesome extra tools here that don't require any technical skill. Now, you get Clean Web, which automatically blocks annoying pop-up ads and web trackers here, and a unique tool called Alternative ID that instantly creates a burner persona and mass email for sketchy website signups. Now, the only thing that you may want to know here is the classic industry pricing for VPNs. Now, you can lock in an absolute bargain under $3 a month if you commit to their long-term 2-year plan upfront, but that rate will automatically spike when it renews, so you may want to know that. Now, it is still cheaper than the options like ExpressVPN or something similar out there, but your best move is to grab the cheap deal here and maybe immediately toggle off auto renew in your settings if you are still planning on just testing it out. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.